So hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I will be talking about how to install ADB drivers on your PC. Now what basically ADB drivers are? So ADB means Android Development Bank. ADB is useful in that case when you want to root your Android phones or to unlock the bootloader of your Android phones and or to do many things in your Android phones. ADB is required. So in this video I will be showing you the proper installation guide of ADB on your Windows PC. So to download the ADB setup file, head over to the description box below, download the file, and now let's begin the process. To install the ADB, this type of file will be downloaded on your PC. So just open it, extract it to the desktop or any other folder you want. So I am just extracting it to the desktop. So okay, so I have extracted on the desktop. See, now this type of folder has been created. Now what you have to do is you have to just go to this XCE or application. Now just click here on the open. So after you click on the open, so it will take some time or depends on your PC speed. So now just click here on the yes. Now it will open a command prompt like window on your PC. So now what you have to do is you have to just type y on all the things it asks. I already have ADB downloaded, so I will not do it again, or all my drivers will be deleted. So after you type y on all the option it asks, now what you have to do is, now where the ADB is placed, okay, so it is placed in the Windows C drive. So here is the ADB folder. You can see that ADB, and now how to open ADB in the command prompt. Okay, so let me show you to open the ADB in the command prompt. Now just right click on the PC, and you can also use Windows terminal. This is the first way to open the ADB. So you can see that it's now shows the ADB here. It is showing the ADB, and you can also open it on the another way, like, wait, let me show you. So you can also double click on the search bar here where the Windows SSD and this is written. Now just Control A to select all the stuffs, and now type CMD and just click here on the enter. Now you can also see it also opened in the ADB. So if you have a Windows 7 or Windows 8, like Windows, very old Windows, then might the Windows terminal is not available on the PC. So this is how you can use a ADB. In the further video I will be guiding you where the ADB is useful and how to root your Android phone. All the videos are coming up, guys, so stay tuned to the channel. If you found this video helpful, and so please subscribe and hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon below to get notified when I post awesome new video.